Hi, I'm Sue Spargo and welcome to week 20 of Bits and Pieces. I'm glad that you're all here following along, and we are at the end of month 5. So month 6 fabrics or wools, hand-dyed wools, will be up on the website by now for those of you that are following along with that. So this month we have a fun block, and starting with a sort of little log cabin here and then a strip at the bottom. So I love the way these blocks came out. And you will be cutting these 6 pieces like this. So this will be a 2.5 inch square, then a 1.5 by 2.5, and then these 3 are 3.5 by 1.5, and the bottom one is 5.5 by 2.5. So you'll sew these 2 together. You can sew those 2 together, and then you will sew both of these on here and then put this piece on finally. Remember to press your seams open nicely and use steam so that they lay nice and flat. Then I'm using Jen Kingwell's scallop and sawtooth applique template, and I love this template. I love the way that this little scalloped edge can give you offset scallops, or even circles. So it worked out really well on this longer, wider piece at the bottom. So that's where I made use of this template, and I used number 3 Easy M43, which is called Moth to a Flame, and it's sort of very contrasting, but I love the way that it changes fairly rapidly on this piece of wool. So that's the end of week 20. I can't believe that we have finished 5 months, and we'll be working with month 6 from next week. And please share all your quilts on the Facebook group. I'm loving seeing them. A lot of you are following along with the same colors that I am, but others are using neutrals. I heard someone's using our eco prints. And so it is fun to see all the variations. So please share. And I'll be back with week 21 next week.